A torrential downpour has left the Uselu-Lagos Expressway severely flooded, paralyzing vehicular movement and endangering lives. The critical artery which connects Edo State to Nigeria's commercial hub, Lagos, is now impassable in several sections, with commuters stranded and businesses disrupted. This recurring crisis, stemming from inadequate drainage infrastructure and poor maintenance, underscores years of governmental neglect. Residents and road users are calling for immediate sustainable intervention, not temporary palliatives. The continued failure to address this issue not only hampers economic activity but poses significant health and safety risk. The government must prioritize long-term drainage solutions and enforce proper urban planning to prevent further infrastructural decay. Silence and inaction are no longer options. The time to act is now. I am Joseph Iyaji, and this platform is Yahe Yala People's Forum.